Again at that beautiful view. Yeah, another person is just laying down on the road and sleeping in the shade. What a simple life here. Hello everybody. Welcome to my channel. Larissa is here, 61 and fabulous, traveling in Mexico and living my best life. In today's video, I'm gonna look for the place to rent for my friend who is coming to Puerto Vallarta in a week. There are so many different ways to do it. You can check the Airbnb, go to Facebook Marketplace, but 70% of rentals in Puerto Vallarta are not listed on the market. And what I'm gonna do today, I will walk in the neighborhood and look for the signs in the windows, talk to people and ask the questions if they know some places available for rent. So if you wanna see how did it go, stay to the end of the video, friends. I am at Colonial Cinco de Diciembre, one of my favorite areas in Puerto Vallarta. It combines the feel of the old world Mexico with all the conveniences needed to live a comfortable life. It's really well situated with easy access to the beach. Malecon is about 10 minutes from here, and many restaurants, shops, taco stands, and much more. There are many young American and Canadians here, and of course local people. And I love the blend of the people in this area, specifically in Cinco de Diciembre. It feels like a neighborhood more than just a tourist area. My day in Cinco de Diciembre did not start quite right today. I arrived here early in the morning and I was ready to start the video. I turned my camera on and the picture was upside down. I was trying to fix it. I tried my best settings, pushing the different buttons. No, didn't work. Went to the Mac store and the guys fixed it. So I'm back to Cinco de Diciembre and now we'll see what I can do, so what I can find. But it's already afternoon. But the good part is I was able to talk to some local man. He saw me like working with my cell phone and he asked, what's wrong? So we talk and then I asked him if he knows any places for rent. And he actually showed me, he actually told me the name of the casa. I'm going right now there. It's called Casa Tequila. So I'm gonna check it out if they have anything for rent. And then the second person I was able to talk was Canadian. He lives here for about 3 years. So he gave me good tips on how much rent would be down below, closer to the ocean, and then on the upper side where the uphill comes. So I'm gonna show you this area around and we go from there. Here's a Casa Tequila right here. So I'm gonna go in and see if I can get anyone to show me the available apartments for rent. Here I am at Casa Tequila. I already buzzed and let's see what's gonna happen. So this local man is helping me. He said, just press harder and ask for floor. I said, okay, I did. So we are waiting. So we didn't have any luck. Nobody answered, and the man said maybe they are just went for lunch. Come back. But he gave me the name of the other place. He said it's really close by. Go to check. Maybe they have something for rent. So I'm gonna go there. here's another place. It's a hotel called Casa del Parque. So let's check it out. Maybe we get more luck here. I am waiting for somebody to come because it says it's open 24 hours. So please call or ring the bell. Looks like no luck here. Nobody is answering, and I looked actually through the window. It's pretty dark. Looks like nobody's there. I'm gonna come back to that Casa Tequila, but right now I'm walking around and just looking around, feeling the vibe. It's so hot outside. It's middle of the day, 2 p.m. and I'm gonna find Oxxo store to buy water bottle and cool down. All of the stores air conditioned, and it's absolutely amazing convenience store here. Oh, here's an Oxxo right behind me. Did you know that in Mexico is over 19,000 Oxxo stores? In Oxxo, you can buy anything: beer, chocolate, candy, fresh coffee all day long. Lots of locations are working and open 24 hours. Also, interesting that you can pay your bill here. I pay my electricity bill here, also your gas. You can phone with excellent plan. So much to do. If you don't have a printer home, come to Oxxo and you can print whatever you need. Mexico runs on cash. Shoppers are lacking bank accounts. More than 60% of Mexico's population can come to Oxxo, bring their cash to make purchases from more than 1,000 online merchants. And those who live in remote area where the home delivery is complicated can then head back to Oxxo to retrieve their merchandise. How cool is that? Now, let's go inside the store. People are amazing here. I'm walking around and it looks like I'm looking for something. And they ask me, what are you looking for? And I said, I'm looking for the place to rent. And they right away, they have their suggestions. Oh, okay, go there and ask there. One man, he is a real estate agent. He was waiting for his client to come, and he said, do you want me to call this place? It's we see the number, so it's for rent. And I said, yeah, please, if you can. So he called, but unfortunately the place was just rented, so no luck here. I'm continue on. I'm back to Casa Tequila. I already buzzed in and waiting for the person to answer. Let's see what happens. Man, so Flor is here. Gracias. So here is the living room. Very spacious, lots of light and nice view. You can see, let me just turn it around. And right there is the ocean. I love the location of that casa. It's 2 blocks from the ocean, less than 10 minutes to go to Malecon. Oh, this is a studio. Okay. Very nice. Nice open space. I like studio. It's really nice. Uh-huh. Oh, modern table. And I like the color. Nice and blue. Ooh. Lots of sun, and studio has nice patio. Look at this. And look at this view. Absolutely gorgeous. So we're gonna see one more small studio. So there is a really small studio. It has everything, but it has only one window and no ocean view. I'm just showing 360 degrees one more time. TV, air conditioner. There we go. And here is terraza. It's a common area. You can come here to have a glass of wine and look again at that beautiful view. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So I really like that Casa Tequila. Location is perfect, very central, really close to the ocean. Lots of restaurants, convenience stores, market. Farmers market is right here, is right below that park where I am right now. Right beside the Casa Tequila is a church. I don't know if it matters to my friend or not, but it's an option. I will call the owner and I will find out the price for each one. I think this person is sleeping since early morning. When I came 10 o'clock in the morning here and my camera didn't work, I saw that person was sleeping and he's still sleeping and it's 3 p.m. Now heading back to my car. I don't think I'm gonna continue on with hunting for today. And look what I see. Walking down the street. It's siesta time. Yeah, another person is just laying down on the road and sleeping in the shade. What a simple life here. I'm just walking a little bit more uphill from Casa Tequila just to show you the neighborhood a little bit more. And if you don't mind to climb up the hills, you can find the place for rent for about 8,000 pesos, which is about 350-400 US dollars a month. Plus you add electricity, gas and Wi-Fi, but it's still going to be cheap. It's going to be under than $500 a month. I am home now and I have the contact number of the owner. That says the Mexican business card. So I contacted Horacio and I talked to him about the price. He gave me the price for October and November because it's still low season. So for one bedroom apartment, price right now is 18,000 Mexican pesos. It's 900 US dollars per month. For a studio is $800 a month, and for the smallest one is $700 a month. In a high season, he said the price goes up and it can go up to 1,200 US dollars a month. So it's not cheap, but it's close to the ocean and you saw the place. So leave me your comments below. What do you think about it? And that's all for today's video. Thank you everybody for watching. Ciao, ciao.